Base, hope I can get a departure off.
Was that a left 180 for 51 Lima?
I'm going to carry through it in a left base for the final.
Roger that, we'll go ahead and carry through left base for the final 51 Lima.
Success 310 Charlie Tango, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, 0 Charlie Tango.
Livermore Tower, 7 Yankee Echo. Should I stay with you or go to ground?
Ground point 6 today.
Lights.
Retrieve 412 Yankee, runway 25 right, line up and wait. Traffic, turn on the final, about a mile final.
Runway 25 right, line up and wait for 12 Yankee.
That's 51 Lima traffic holding in position.
51 Lima.
Livermore Tower, Cessna 90653 at Los Bacaras, 3,500 feet inbound for option with information, Mike.
89653 Livermore Tower, rudder and a right base, runway 25 right.
Enter right base for runway 25 right, Cessna 653.
And 51 Lima is going to be one more turn.
3412 Yankee, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, 12 Yankee.
After 51 Lima, runway 25 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 25 right, we're just finishing up one more turn here, 51 Lima.
Oh, no problem. For Victor Tango, runway 25 left, clear for the option.
25 left for Victor Tango.
Retrieve 412 Yankee traffic, getting to your left is a yellow club. Left crosswind, reference that traffic, you can start your left turn.
12 Yankee, I have the traffic.
Wind 240 at 6. Champ, 75 Echo number 2, runway 25 left, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 25 left, number 2 for 75 Echo.
Twin Otter 1 Alpha Romeo, are you in the turn reversing course now?
A firm 1 Alpha Romeo.
Roger.
1189er, 033.